Good morning, one and all. Today we are going to discuss the solution of linear programming problem by using graphical method. Let us consider an example. Maximum z is equal to 2x1 plus 3x2 and the subjective constraints are 3x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 6, 4x1 plus 8x2 less than or equal to 16, x1 and x2 greater than or equal to 0. Under this this is called as objective function, and these are called restrictions, and this is called non-negative restrictions. Under this, our main motto is to extract x1 and x2 values by using these two equations and substitute them in the objective function, and our objective function must be maximized. So how do we solve this problem? Let us consider these two equations. Basing on these two equations, we have to find the values of x1 and x2. Since there is less than or equal to, these are called inequalities. If there exists less than or equal to, we cannot resolve any equations. So let us consider these as equations by converting them into equal to's. 4x1 plus 8x2 equal to 16. Now we have to estimate the values of x1 and x2. So in order to estimate the values of x1 and x2, let us assume that the first one equation is 3x1 plus x2 equal to 6. Now we have to consider the values of x1 and x2, possible values of x1 and x2. So let us consider x1 value as 0, for example. So x1 value as 0, then the equation becomes 3 into 0 plus x2 equal to 6. Then 3 into 0 is 0, then x2 equal to 6. The value of x2 is 6. Now consider x2 value as 0. By considering x2 value as 0, you will get 3x1 plus 0 equal to 6. 3x1 equal to 6. x1 equal to 6 by 3. x1 equal to 2. So the value of x1 is 2. So the coordinates for x1 and x2 are 0, 6 and 2, 0. Similarly, calculate the values of second equation like this only. Now the second equation is 4x1 plus 8x2 equal to 16. Now consider x1, x2, put x1 value is 0, 4 into 0 plus 8 into x2 is equal to 16. Since it is 0, 8x2 equal to 16, x2 equal to 16 by 8, and x2 value will be 2. So 2. Now put x2 value as 0. 4x1 plus 8 into 0 is equal to 16. So 4x1 is equal to 16. x1 equal to 16 by 4. x1 equal to 4. The coordinates are 0, 2 and 4, 0. So next, plot these values in the graphical form. X-axis, y-axis. The maximum values of x1 are 0 to 0, 4, 6, 0, 2, 0. So consider the values as 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Similarly 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. And this is x1 and this is x2. This is 0. So what is the value of first equation? x1 value is 2 and x2 value is 6. x1 value is 2 and x2 value is 6. Join these two coordinates like this. This is equation 1 and the second equation coordinates are x1 value is 4, x2 value is 2. So x1 value is 4 here, x2 value is 2 here. So join these two lines. This is called equation 2. So this is a graphical representation of given linear programming problems. Now we have to generate the values of x1 and x2. So simply observe the values equations that I have given in the problem. 3x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 6, 4x1 plus x2 less than or equal to 16. The inequalities are less than or equal to. Whenever the inequalities are less than or equal to, the region bounded by the given lines is towards to the origin. If So if the given inequalities are less than or equal to, then the region bounded by the lines are towards to the origin. If they are greater than or equal to, then the region bounded by the points will be outside of the origin. Let us consider it in the another example. So now looking into this example, the two equations are less than or equal to, so the two lines are bounded by in this region. So by plotting like this, you may find the two regions bounded in a same place here itself. The two lines which we are drawn are joining here. So this region is called as feasible region. So this entire region is called as feasible region, and this is bounded by four different points. So this coordinate is 0, 0, and this coordinate is 0, 2, and this coordinate is 2, 0, and this coordinate is, if you draw exactly on a graph point in graph paper, you may easily estimate this point. Approximately this point will be 1.5, 1.5. So these are the points bounded by these equations. Now you have to do that. You have to substitute the four values in the objective function. So basing on this, where the objective function is maximum, those are the required points. So let us calculate that. So first point is z equal to 2x1 plus 3x2. The first point is 0, 0. Since those are 0, 0s, the value will be z is equal to 2 into 0 plus 3 into 0, then it will be 0. So next point is, let us consider 0, 2, 2 into 0 plus 3 into 2. So 2 into 0 is 0, 3 into 2 is 6. So the maximum value is 6. Next 1.5, 1.5. 2 into 1.5 plus 3 into 1.5 is equal to 2 into 1.5 means 3. 3 into 1.5 means 4.5. 2, 3 plus 4.5, 7.5. And the last point is 2, 0. Z is equal to 2 into 2 plus 3 into 0, which is equal to 2 2s are 4 plus 3 into 0 is 0. The value is 4. This is a point bounded by 0, 0, 0, 2, 1.5, 1.5, 2, 0. So under these values, the z value is maximum at 7.5 with the points 1.5, 1.5. Therefore x1 value is 1.5, x2 value is 1.5, and the maximum z value is 7.5. This is the required solution.